Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sierra. If you're a new subscriber here, I welcome you, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Today's video is in collaboration with Miss Amechi, as we are doing a decorate your space, and you were entitled to do any room in your house or any room of your choice. So I'm going to decorate this area right here. So I got this desk off of Amazon, and it really was a really great price. The desk that I had here before was a longer desk, and I just was tired of all the extra space being taken up. So I decided to get this one. As you can see in today's video, I'm just simply putting things away at my teacher's desk. Now, I don't sit here 24/7. I don't sit here really at all like that, but I do want my area nice and neat and clean for when I do. So I'm putting away some of the shot glasses that Bevony sent me from Jamaica when we did our spring box swap. You guys can check out that video as well. It'll be down in my description box, and I'll also leave Bevony's channel in my description box as well, so that you guys can go over to her channel. So I have a lot of teaching materials. So this was a Ray Dunn 3-compartment set where I can hold pens, pencils, and other things like that. So I like to keep pens such as Sharpies and gel pens and like my hole puncher and scissors in this container here. Also, I have a colorful caddy right there that I got from Hobby Lobby, where it's going to keep things such as staples, paper clips, binder clips, and things like that. So I got this cute little stand right there off of Shein to hold my computer up. And so I love it because I don't have to worry about straining to see it. I also want to put my hot glue gun up there. You guys know I'm in love with making crafts, but I like to keep my area where I know everything is. So I also want to keep my camera stuff up on top of my desk because I also vlog over in this area from time to time. So as you guys know, I am definitely looking for a house where we have more space. So this is the reason why I like to keep this area nice and neat. So I added my Born to Teach cup that I got out of a teacher's crate. And now I'm going to simply just go ahead and get my MacBook up and ready for when I come over to edit. I also keep at the bottom my stuff to make lanyards for teachers. And then on the right at the bottom, I keep all of my binders and books and YouTube video books that I got off of Amazon. You guys should try them. They definitely help keep my videos organized. And I simply love writing down my ideas in there and making sure that every link I need to add is written down so that I don't forget. So I just got a couple of things that I need to put away, such as pens and things like that. So here in this box, I keep like gift cards, things for my camera, things for my computer, all of my battery charging stuff, my mouses, and things like that are in here. I have so many things such as a selfie stick, webcam, and phone chargers. And of course, I keep a hole puncher over at my desk with me. I like to keep my Cricut over there, and I have a Canon camera where I do photography. I just haven't done it recently, but that is what is in this bag. I did get this off of QVC a couple years ago, and I just have not had the chance to get back out there and give it my little magical touch. So I also wanted to put a lot of nice things up in my area. So I got some stickers from work when they did Teacher Appreciation Week. And so here are some of the stickers that I got. We were allowed to pick 5. Unfortunately, there were so many left over. I ended up picking more each day every time that I went into the break room to eat lunch. So this is where I keep my rolling cart. I keep it next to my desk. This just simply has different items that I keep in here. I like to keep the magic doodle that we bought Sky for Christmas in between my desk, just because I know how she can get, and we'll try to go and put it, take it out and put water in the things like she's not supposed to. So here is my area. where I keep like a snack and then an air freshener, my airborne gummy sanitizer, and my cell phone holder. I also love to have my area smelling good, so I bought this wax candle melter at Kroger. It was about $7.99 because it was on sale. I like to have it plugged in, I like to have it on, and it's just a great smell because I have so many wax melts I can always change
over in
the
these
scent.
drawers, I like to keep Sharpies, book rings, and other little incentives like that, such as gel pens or markers, staples, and pencils. Also, I went ahead and kind of like edited my area here. I like to have stickers, keep my retirement mail, and I also keep up with my crafts. Over here I just have like extra paper, extra notebooks, and little things like that. And then I keep really weird, odd things in here. Like this is my area that I like to just keep things nicely organized the best way I can. And then all of my stuff from students. Like this year, one of my students gave me this for Teacher Appreciation Week, and then I have my daughter's work. I have some of the other kids working here that they made for me this year. This is just a random drawer where I keep all of my good stuff at. As you can see, this right here controls my car. But it's broke, so it's in here. Plenty of chargers, stickers, phone cases, other businesses, business cards, all of my watch stuff. This was just a drawer I was getting ready to create. So these are all of my teacher items that I keep in these bins. So this is stuff that I have collected since I have first started working there. When I first started working there, we went over things such as open door school, partnership school, just things like that. So I keep all of those things just in case I need them. This drawer has iron-on paper, printing paper, and regular line paper. And then this is my zones of regulation stuff in case I ever want to go back to stay. Thanks so much for watching and sticking around towards the end. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you're not already so that you don't miss another video. And be sure to check out the playlist linked in the description box down below. Also, let everyone know that C'Aira sent you over to their channel to check out their video in the playlist linked down below. I really enjoyed having you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. See you next time.